Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I'm here to do a video to discuss with you guys and talk to you about the update on international shipping here in Australia with our postal system, Australia Post. They have notified me to let me know of the changes that are happening right now with the way they send mail. And the reason why I wanted to do this video is the fact that I have an Etsy shop which will affect my shop, and also I wanted to let my customers know, and also my regular customers who are just wonderful ladies, and I just want to thank you all who have been purchasing from my shop and supporting my little shop. So I wanted to inform you guys of what changes are happening right now in my shop. So Australia Post will now no longer accept small parcels or small envelopes or even the padded envelopes to be sent as standard shipping anymore. So for my customers who watch my YouTube channel, probably recognize my little white padded envelopes that I send to you guys. So Australia Post will no longer accept these as standard shipping at the economy cost anymore. They are now requiring me to send these as a package, which then means the postage of the shipping will now exceed to a substantial amount of money, which means, so if my packages are less than 250 grams, it's going to cost 21 Australian dollars. If the weight of my package is over 250 grams, then it increases to 24 Australian dollars, which is quite a lot of money compared to the costs that I was providing for my customers, and I try to keep it as low as possible. Previously, I was doing the shipping for $5 for international shipping, and then it was an extra $1.50 for every item that you add to your order. So that has all changed now, which I had to put a lot of thought into what I was able to do to make it more cost effective for my customers and more easier for me to manage my shop. And it was really hard for me to try to work out a way without having to charge my customers the $21 that Australia Post is asking. So the best way that I was able to manage my shop and to make it easier for myself and for my customers, I have put a flat rate shipping postage for your orders, and instead of 21 Australian dollars, my flat rate shipping cost will be $16.95 Australian dollars. So that is the downside for the post, and that is the best that I could do for you guys and for the shop. But the upside to that $16.95 flat rate shipping, you will be able to get a tracking number for your order, which means you will be able to track your order and keep up to date with the status of where the delivery of your package is. And I'm going to put the link down below to the Australia Post website, so you could keep track of your order as well. And I will also be filling out a custom declaration form as well for the package, so that it will be able to be cleared through customs. You will also receive your package approximately 10 to 20 days to arrive, instead of what I was sending before with standard shipping, where you would receive your package about 4 to 8 weeks. So that's another a great way for you to receive your goods. You will be able to receive it in about two to 3 weeks, maybe a little bit quicker, depending on the load of posting delivery that they are at the moment with all the restrictions and the delays. You will also be able to order as many items as you want in that one order, and you will only be paying that $16.95 shipping. So you can order as many quantities, as many items as you want. So let's say, for example, you place your order on a Monday and you purchase 5 items and you've already paid for your order, and then in 2 or 3 days time you realize you forgot an item, or you've seen another item listed and you wanted to purchase that, but you've already paid for that first order, that's okay. Pay for that order and pay for the postage, as long as it's within the 3 days of when you have placed that order, because I will allow a 3-day window for me to package your goodies and everything and then to send it to the post. So I will then see that order. I will still be able to have time to place that second order in that first order and combine it together, and I will refund you the $16.95 for that second order, so you won't have to pay an extra shipping, as long as it's within the 3 days from the time you place that order, and that gives me time. But after the third day, if you do place another order, you may have to pay that $16.95 shipping. I know it's a lot of money. It is quite a lot of money for shipping, but you can also another way you can do it, if you are in a group or you are in a crafting group together, you can combine all of your orders together, and then you can then divide the shipping between yourselves to make it cheaper. So that's another way you can do that. Or wait till you have all of your items in your cart, and then when you're ready, you can then place them all together as one package. You will also receive a free gift that I will add into your order as a little thank you gift. So that's a little surprise for you. I will also be packaging your order more safely and package them in a more safe way for you, as it will be packaged in a sturdy box. If you are purchasing multiple items, I will be able to put it in a sturdy box. If it's 1 or 2 items, it may still be packaged in one of these padded envelopes. Just all depends on what you order. What benefits me with this new shipping method is that I'm now able to also list more bulkier handmade items for you guys. For example, I can now make more dimensional paper embellishments, which are more dimensional, so then I can also place them into my shop. I could also list these, which I'll just show you. I can now list these really cute. I'll just show you. These are little cupcake pin cushions. I wasn't able to list these before because of the bulkiness of the item, and it wouldn't have been worth sending if it was for me for a $5 shipping, because this would have been sent as a package. And I can also make kits for you guys, so you can make these yourself. Because of the mold, because it's quite high, I wasn't able to send it as a flat mail, but I can now place these in my shop. And I'm also going to do a tutorial now for you guys on how you could make these as well. And I could also list other items as well now for you, other than just paper goods in my shop. So that is all. I wanted to come on here to share with you some information on why I've had to increase my shipping costs and the new regulations that Australia Post are wanting us to do now, which is out of my control. But just to also let you know, there are still slight delays with shipping at the moment, with international shipping. So that again is also out of my control, but things are moving a little faster. For Australia-wide customers of mine, it doesn't affect you. Everything is moving quite normally now with the postage system, so you should receive your items about 1 to 3 days, depending on where you are in Australia as well, and what restrictions you have in place in the states of Australia with Sydney. So that is all I wanted to say. If you have any questions or you wanted to clarify anything more that I've said, or you wanted to just want to know a little bit more information, you can leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer those questions down below. If not, you could also email me. I have my email address also for you below the video, or you can direct message me on Instagram. I'll also place this note for you in my Etsy shop, so you can refer back to that if you wanted to just have another read of what I was trying to explain here. And also put a note on my Instagram page as well for you about all the changes. So again, thank you everybody for enjoying my videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, if you want to be notified with any more of my uploaded videos. You can also like and comment below. They don't go unnoticed, I do read them. So again, thank you everybody, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.